Meaning of hairstylist.
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 Hairstylist. A hairstylist is a professional who specializes in cutting, styling, and coloring hair. They work with clients to achieve their desired look, taking into account factors such as face shape, hair texture, and personal style. Hairstylists may also provide other services such as hair treatments, scalp massages, and hair extensions. They must stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques in the industry and possess strong communication skills to ensure they understand and execute their clients' requests accurately. Ultimately, hairstylists play a key role in helping individuals express their personality and enhancing their overall self-confidence.